Hey guys, so before we get started, I just wanted to remind all of you who are watching, or any of you who might be new here, to check out my previous video. I've got a giveaway going on, a luxury giveaway, so do check that video out for your chance to win a YSL card holder or a YSL brooch. I will link that video in the description box below. Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, my name is Jasleen, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing, and I feel like there's been way too many unboxings on this channel because I think I've gone a little bit crazy in the past few months. There are periods of the year where there's like nothing that's being bought, but then there are periods where there are pretty good sales, or there are pretty good items that I've had on my wish list, and then when I see them, then I do prepare myself to buy them. So I thought I'd share that with you, and I know a lot of you that are following me here on this channel love to see unboxings. I love to see unboxings. It's like you're window shopping, but you don't have to spend any money. So that's also nice. It reminds me of those times where, you buy something and you kind of show like a really good friend or, a family member, and you just sort of show them and say like, okay, what do you think? And so it's really nice. I like doing the unboxings. It's like a way for me to sort of capture that moment, and I know that you do want to see like the packaging and all that. I love seeing it, so we'll get straight into it. So I'm going to be unboxing something from Chanel, and this has been on my mind since last year, and this item came out and they were sold out. Like, I never saw it in store. I did see it on like reselling pages, like on Instagram through personal shoppers, but yeah, I wasn't able to get my hands on those, and I was asking my sales associate if they did have this style, and he said he's not sure, like it may come back in the future, he doesn't know, but for now they didn't have it. Good news is they do have it. So a couple of weeks ago, my husband and I were in the area. We have three Chanel boutiques in Toronto. We have two that are fairly close to each other. So we have the flagship boutique in Yorkville, which is the one that I mainly shop at, but there is one in our department store. We have a huge department store called Holt Renfrew. So as you know, a lot of stores are closing earlier, and we were in the area, so we were just waiting for dinner, and we had some reservations, so I thought I'd just pop into Holt Renfrew and see what they had. And when I walked in, like, they had this item, and I'm like, oh my god, like, I was looking for these. When I went in there, actually, they didn't have it in my size, so I couldn't try it on. So I already know what size I would probably be in these, just from past experience of trying this item on, and I later just let the SA know, not my SA, this is an SA that my sister deals with, but I just sent her a message and said, okay, if you do have this come in, then let me know. I also sent a message to my sales associate, and he said that we don't have it currently, but I do know this sells out really quickly, so if you can get your hands on it, just buy them. And I was able to get my hands on them, and they were shipped to me via FedEx, so I picked them up, and hopefully they fit, because then I'd have to exchange it, and I may not have the correct size because these sell out pretty quickly. Anyway, so I'm gonna get to the box. So this is, again, another FedEx package, and some people ask me, they're like, some Chanels don't ship to them. I don't see there being any problem. I know in Canada we didn't really do that, but in the States you guys have a lot more Chanel boutiques, and it's kind of like, it's no big deal for one state to ship to the other. But I really think it depends on the sales associate and the store manager, and I think you may have to have a buying history at the boutique. It doesn't have to be elaborate, like you could have just bought one small item, but I think they just need to have you in their customer base. I don't know. I really don't know. They did sort of accommodate a lot of the shipping now because of COVID. They have like a secure link where you can pay online. So maybe it's easier now, but someone had told me that they weren't able to get something in. So I don't know. I think it depends on the manager of the store. It could be, but this, but anyway. This time I have a knife, so I'm not struggling with the box again. So I'm going to fast forward to this because you don't need to see me like opening the box, okay? Okay, so I finally got the box open. You can see me like sort of like low-key like flexing there. finally got this box open. It's a massive box. I don't think it needs to be, but I always find that these boxes are like so securely shut. It's just hard to open. But anyway, oh, okay. So we're in the middle of a heat wave, by the way. It's really, really hot here, so bear with me. Okay, so again, tissue paper on the top, if you can tell. So we're gonna pull this off. And it's upside down. Okay, so it's already in the bag. Oh no, the bag's all wrinkled. That's okay. Okay, so this bag is somewhat destroyed, but it's okay. I have enough of these bags. Alright, so we've got the camellia on the front, ribbon on the handle. Receipt sets in the bag. Okay, so I don't know if there's no camellia on the box. Oh! It's stuck on the side. Probably fell off in transit. That's okay. I'll just remove that later. But anyway, here is the box. I don't know what this is. Oh, so care tips. Okay, so if you can't tell already, it's a box of shoes. And I know I've unboxed quite a few shoes on my channel already. So I should do a shoe collection soon, possibly. So we're gonna undo this ribbon. Okay, here's the box. So there's a little care booklet. Two dust bags. Laces. So if you already know, they're a pair of sneakers. Which sneakers? That is the question. So if you have any guesses, leave a comment down below. I probably mentioned these in a previous video or something. So if you know, then you can guess. Here they are. So these are, I don't know what these are called exactly, but if I find, I'll let you know. But these are the sneakers I wanted to get last year, and they're amazing. They say Chanel on the back. There's a little CC logo on the side, just a little touch, you know, just so you can tell the world, right? But just make sure everybody knows, again, that they're Chanel. They're at the back, and they're not so chunky, but they've got like a good sole, and they're lace ups, and yeah, black sneakers. I can totally see me wearing these with like leggings, and I don't wear sweats actually. No, I don't wear sweats. Even during like COVID, I didn't wear sweats. But I wear like comfy clothes. I wear like stretchy pants. I mentioned previously, like Lululemon, you know, the dress pants that aren't dress pants but are actually stretchy pants in disguise. That's what I wear. And they're actually very flattering too. So, but yeah, so here they are. Oh, actually there's a tag in here. Okay, so I'm gonna insert, maybe this will help you out, because there's a QR code. I think maybe you can't see that. Could be. If not, if you can't see it, I'll type out the item code for you guys so that it's easier for you. But yes, so these are the sneakers. They're on my wish list, and I'm actually so glad. You know, what's meant to be is meant to be. Like with everything, it's always patience, and if you've got certain items on your radar, on your wish list, and you're not able to get a hold of them, they will come back, or there might be something better that might be out there for you. And so always wait. So remember when I bought the white sort of tennis sneakers earlier, like a couple of videos ago, and I was very confused whether or not I wanted to get like the black or the white, and I really wanted the black, but everybody kept pointing to the white. My husband liked the white, my sales associate liked the white, but I kind of wanted the black too, and I was considering, you know, I might get them in both colors. But now that I have this in black, I don't even want those in black. I got those in white, and I'm so happy that I got those in white. So, you know, it all works out, and they came out. So sizing wise, I know in designer sneakers, I'm usually a size 39.5. So my regular shoe size in like European sizing, whether it's Italian or French, my regular shoe size is a size 40. I could even go up to a 40.5 depending on how narrow the shoe is. I've got pretty wide feet. My arches are decent. They're not flat, and I don't really have a high arch either. If you guys are kind of in the same boat, then, you know, then go with my advice for sizing. So I'm usually a 40, but I know I have to go down half a size in sneakers because otherwise my foot slips out the back. So I'm hoping these do fit. So I'll try them on and let you guys know. So the way I would style these is, well, really, like, you want to look pretty neat and put together when you're wearing designer sneakers, right? Like, you don't want to just look like you rolled out from the gym, although these aren't really shoes that you would wear at the gym anyway, but you kind of want to look put together. I know Sophie Shohet on YouTube, she's like my YouTube idol, and she's like my online YouTube friend. She doesn't know me personally, but she did a really good video on how to make sneakers look sort of smart, casual, and not look like a slob, right? So there are certain sneakers that you'd want to wear in a certain way. So her recommendation, and which is why what I prefer too, is showing a little bit of ankle. So you don't want to have the trousers or anything kind of covering this top, but you want to show off a little bit of ankle. And usually the type of trousers I wear, they're usually, you know, they're just above the ankle, so it works, and a little bit more tapered as well. And you can throw in a blazer, you can dress it up. So I'm going to try it on in various ways and let you know how it looks, maybe put some looks together. But I just thought I'd film this because I wanted to unbox it. And if any of you follow me on Instagram, I posted a video of the Leaning Tower of boxes, and it's getting kind of ridiculous, like it's just never ending, and I need to film, and I'm reluctant to throw any of the packaging away because I know you guys want to see that stuff. So yeah, I have like this Leaning Tower of boxes, and it's like an art sculpture already. So they're actually quite comfortable. I don't find that they're too big on me. So from your regular shoe size, you will have to size down. But if you know your size in sneakers, then just go with your size in sneakers. So I knew I was a 39.5. So I ordered the 39.5. I was thinking maybe I should go half size down because I did feel that they were a little bit loose in the back, but not loose enough that it's a deal breaker, and I wouldn't want these to be super, super tight because no one wants a tight sneaker. Like, you're gonna wear like a little sock with it too, and you want that room, and sometimes when you're walking, like, your feet swell. I don't want to spend a lot of money on shoes that aren't going to be comfortable, so I think this size is perfect for me. I wouldn't size down. So I have wider feet, that's why I sized down a half size. But maybe if you have narrower feet, you might have to size down a whole size from your regular shoe size. So let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see a sneaker collection video. I've only just started getting into sneakers because I realized that I do need comfortable footwear, and that heels are impractical. They're impractical for my job, and I don't really have a lot of occasions where I'm going to wear heels anyway. So I'm really enjoying wearing casual shoes and designer sneakers because I feel like I'll get more wear out of them. So let me know if you want to see a collection. Hopefully you'll get some inspiration from it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this, and I would love to see your feedback in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to subscribe and like for more videos, and do tap that notification bell because then you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Like, this is really fun. This YouTube thing is really fun, and I kind of meet like YouTube friends on Instagram too. So if you haven't followed me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. And it's really great to just like meet people who and just see what they bought. Like, sometimes people send me photos, and it's just so neat to kind of have this little chit chat, because nobody really around me like cares about luxury. Like, I don't really, nobody really knows or cares, so it's nice to sort of engage with this community, and we can get all giddy about our about our designer choices. Alright guys, have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.